AMC stock update. Okay guys, so here we are with another AMC video. So we're taking a look here at the recent close. So after a red hot week, AMC finally had a down day, guys. So basically, at one point during the trading day, we even hit as high as $36. So I think this was a lot of people FOMOing in. And now we've found support at around 25 bucks, guys. Before I get into the rest of the video, be sure to grab your 2 free stocks at Webull by going to investortrip.com/Webull and grabbing your free Bitcoin as well, guys. Go to investortrip.com/Coinbase to grab your free $10 in Bitcoin. So as we can see here, we have a clear support line of around 25 bucks. That looks like that's where the buyers are coming into the stock, with clear resistance at around $36, guys. So what a fantastic week we had. AMC stock was up about 116%. So not too shabby, guys. I mean, you can't expect the stock to be up 3, 4, 500% a week. Doubling your money in 1 week is just phenomenal returns. And one of the reasons why I think this happened is that the RSI simply got too hot. So last time the RSI basically traded above 80, we saw a massive crash in price. So AMC stock went all the way from as high as around $20 or so, and it dipped all the way back to around $9. So it literally lost half its value. So we saw something similar here. Obviously, the stock hasn't lost half its value, but we had a red day. So the price ended up slightly down. Volume was slightly down from its peak of around 705 million shares, and the RSI, guys. So I was just from a strictly technical standpoint. The RSI just got too hot, guys. This stock just got overbought, too popular. And I think a lot of traders saw that, ended up taking profits at around $36 or something like that, which was phenomenal. I mean, you got to expect some people to take some money off the table when they were up so much. But the good thing about this is that we still have a solid support level of around like $25, right around that range, $24, $25. And I still don't think the short squeeze is done. So the short ratio is still pretty high, and a lot of shorts still have a couple of days to close. So this really wasn't, this was profit taking, I think. Obviously, there was a lot of, retail investors, institutional investors involved in this stock. And I just think a lot of people, where they doubled their money over the last 5 days, they decided to take profits. But the good thing is that the fundamental catalysts for AMC haven't even taken place yet. Most of that's going to happen in June with the vaccinations and things like that. And we still have, I think, a long ways to go. So this is just the beginning. So it was nice to see the price come off a bit. It was running so high. I was just kind of wondering, how high could this go? And when we start to see stocks kind of trending up like that, usually we're going to have some selling off, which is completely healthy, guys. A lot of people are buying AMC stock because they're on their last savings, or maybe they need to really quickly raise some capital. Maybe they are dealing with a job loss, sickness in the family. We don't know everyone's circumstances, okay? So it's completely normal if somebody bought AMC because they were FOMOing into it, and then they doubled their money and they're going to sell it and pay their bills, or pay off student loans, or whatever the reason is. We really can't knock people for their personal choices, okay, guys? Obviously, it would be best if everyone held, but that's just not realistic. People are going to take profits. And there's nothing wrong with taking profits along the way. So now, remember, we don't have a trading session on Monday. We're going to have the day off due to Memorial Day, so we're going to have a long 3-day weekend. But the good thing about that is that 3 days gives a lot of people plenty of time to talk about AMC, talk about it on social media like Reddit and Facebook, Twitter, talk about it with their friends. So I expect to see another major spike after a cool off, right? So we have a cool off, and then usually we're going to have another run up. So if we take a look at the chart here, that's basically what's been going on with AMC. So we had a major run up, then a cool off, then another run up. So, over the long run, once again, guys, AMC stock is still up 1,200% year to date. So, as long as the volume is going to remain pretty high, I think we're still a very bullish trend. Now, in the past, last time we had some red candles, it was like the stock kind of just cooled off and got boring and no one was really talking about it. So it'd be really interesting to see how the volume does on Tuesday. If the volume continues to decrease, then that could definitely be a bearish signal in the short run. But I don't think we'll probably see $20 again. We just completely broke it past that resistance. So right now, I would say this is probably a good time. If you missed out on the run up on AMC, it's always a good thing to buy on weakness. You didn't want to buy the stock when it was running high. You know, if we could take a look here, the previous today's trading chart, you can see that this was completely FOMOing. People were just jumping into it irrationally, and then they were basically down. Wow, you know, as much as 33% from that peak in just a few hours. So try to buy on weakness, guys. It's doing decent in after hours. It seems to be recovering a bit. So if you're new to AMC stock, now is a decent time to get in, because now you're buying on weakness. You're not buying pumps. We don't want to buy rips in price. We want to buy dips. And the reason why we want to buy dips is because the lower the cost that we get into, basically the less risk we're taking on. So me personally, I bought in at $6, so I'm already quadrupled my money. I'm already up 400%, and I'm willing to just wait it out and see where this thing goes. You know, it was kind of crazy to see the stock sell off so much and see my trading account change so much, but it's completely normal, guys. There's been so much volatility over the last 52 weeks. I'm just kind of immune to it, as long as I'm basically not in the red. So as long as my position is green, I'm willing to hold and just watch these catalysts play out. And I was even taking a look at some of the call options. And some of these call options, there's massive interest in the next couple of weeks for AMC stock as high as you know, $40, $50, $60. So I still think we could have about 2x upside from here, at least in the next couple of weeks, which means probably the next price target is going to be $50 to $60. So I'm still eyeing $100. That's long-term price target. I think we'll hit that probably by the end of the summer. So we're basically just jumping into summer, guys. The next trading day, it'll officially be June, and the weather will be warming up and stuff like that. So lots to look forward to, guys. But I hope you enjoyed this video. So please smash the like button if you enjoyed my content, and smash the red subscribe button to receive more videos from me. And let me know what you think about AMC. Are you buying more on the dip? Did you sell off this week in locking your gains, or are you just holding everything? It'd be really interesting to know what you guys are doing. So that's until next time, guys. Take care.